So what is play-based learning? And how do we foster it in our classrooms or in our homes? Coming to you next. Well, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we are all about empowering you with resources for young children. So if you enjoy getting content like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. So what is play-based learning? Play-based learning is when children are able to explore their interests, engage in open-ended activities, and use their imagination to create, to build, and also use their senses, sight, hearing, smell, touch, to explore the world around them. But how do we foster that as parents or educators? Well, the first step to fostering a play-based learning environment is the environment itself. So you first want to incorporate things into your environment that children are interested in. So for example, if you have children that are really into building and blocks, well, you want to have blocks, things that they can build and construct things with. And you might be wondering, but what are they really going to be learning as they're playing with blocks? Well, let's use this for an example. You have your alphabet number blocks in the block area. So as children are building, you as the parent or the teacher will come on over and say, what are you building? And they may say a tower. How many blocks are you going to use to build your tower? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you guys are building together. Is your tower going to look the same or different? And you may notice, well, this block that you're using has the letter R on there. And would you like to use the R block or the one with the 6 on there? So you can engage and play, and as you're playing, you're asking those good questions to play with them. Do you want to build a city or a rural area? Do you want streams and rivers in your city or your countryside or your house? Another idea to incorporate with their interests is maybe you have children in your classroom or in your home that are really into fish or ocean animals. You might have puzzles in the play environment of fish, but these are not any old fish. They're fish with letters on there. So you might say, hey, do you want to go fishing today? And of course, a child that's interested in fishing or going on adventures will say yes, and you guys can play a little fishing game. And as you're playing this game, you can say, ooh, what fish did you catch? Oh, you caught the fish with the letter T on there or the number 2 on there. And I'll make sure I link these resources below, but you guys get the point. And also with incorporating interests, it also means books that they're interested in. So if you have children in your home or your classroom, for example, that's interested in cars and trucks, you might have a book like the My First ABC Transportation book. Or if you have children that are interested in butterflies or solar systems, you're going to incorporate toys and materials, books, and things of that nature into your home or class environment. And the last thing I want to say is a play-based environment means that you as the parent or the teacher, you get on the floor, you are hands-on with them. It is a hands-on approach to learning. And one of the quotes that I really love that helps me to remember is this one. It says, tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. And so remember, a play-based learning environment is you involving the children, you doing it together. You guys are learning together through play. So let me know right now in the chat below, are you already fostering a play-based learning environment? Did you hear something today that you plan to start doing? Let me know in the chat below. Otherwise, make sure you join the club for free where I send you free resources all the time. I'll make sure I link it below. Talk to you guys soon, another time. Bye, guys.